Many people enjoy expressing their own styles and fashions when it comes to clothes, and some people like to wear customised and comfortable designed t-shirts. But have you ever wondered how these t-shirts are made in the factory? Well, let's take a look. The process of making t-shirts starts when the raw materials are brought to the factory as rolls of raw fabric. Firstly, one roll is unfolded and carefully laid out in a single layer on a table without any creases. Then all the layers are arranged carefully, one over the other. Next, the t-shirt design is made on a cloth layer. Now, the industrial cutting machine cuts the cloth as per the design. This machine is very sharp. Can you see how it's cutting all the layers very speedily? After that, these cut clothes are sent into the stitching section to stitch all the parts together. In this process, the pocket, sleeves and middle body parts are stitched. Now the cap is stitched and the waist and wrists are attached separately. This factory makes more than 50,000 t-shirts every month. As well as those, many different types of children's t-shirts, hoodies, round neck casual t-shirts and more are made here too. Then stitching is done on the cap to make the hoodie here. After a while, the draw cord is manually applied in the hoodie cap. Here, the logo is designed by a designer. Then, the logo is printed on paper first. Next, the logo is printed onto the t-shirt by machine. Now, the hoodie is pressed with a hot iron. Finally, the t-shirts are ready and are packed into bags manually. T-shirts of all sizes are available for purchase in this factory.